The single biggest change in our economy over the past 30 years hasn't been information technology, hasn't been, mass production or whatever else. It's been the change in our energy uses. States should set energy conservation targets to reduce their emissions. In a communication to Andhra Pradesh State Energy Conservation Mission APSECM on the occasion of 50th anniversary of Earth Day, the BEE said energy security remains a major area of attention and the crisis highlights the critical value of electricity. Energy conservation is the effort made to reduce the consumption of energy by using less of an energy service. This can be achieved either by using energy more efficiently or by reducing the amount of service used. Energy conservation is a part of the concept of ecological sufficiency. Energy can be conserved by reducing the wastage and losses, improving efficiency through technological upgrades, and improved operation and maintenance. Thank you.